symbols: honor, respect, loyalty.
Okay, everybody, we're here.
Gino.
We have to show our solidarity here for the officer.
Indicative of
Let's go, officer.
Showing more additional blood-related damage.
I've decided that we have to support our super secret undercover ninja cops.
I got that right.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
The response from the
in solidarity, I've changed my name to Undercover Lorax.
That you previously talked about on Thursday.
Yes. He says,
I hope he feels safe now.
It says always. He's just responding to the messages, and he calls him Herc, which is a common G-shine, like saying bro or dude or something like that, or brother.
The police officer is testifying under a mask because he's a scared police officer. He's an undercover officer who has death threats against him and his family. So he's being allowed to testify with his mask on.
About not just the hood, but Q. And Q would be Jaquan Burton. That's what he goes by, Q Shine.
So I'm showing my solidarity for the undercover police officer by doing my Lorax stuff. And Nathan C., Stagecoach Bandit Vices. Wolfram with the $5 super chat, waiting for Strawberry and Yoda to start barking at the stranger in black. That's why we need a man in black. Alan Walsh is saying.
Let the record reflect the jury stepped out. Counsel remain along with the.
All right, they're arguing outside the presence of the jury about something.
Yes, counsel. Now, your objection is was previously stated as you're objecting to this witness testifying wearing a mask. Based upon his testimony, I overruled the objection, and now you're suggesting you want to revisit that.
Yes, make him take off the mask so I can.
Go ahead and tell me, make your argument.
May I inquire from the witness?
Sure.
Sir, are you aware that your picture, along with your family, is on the internet as we sit here today?
Nope.
May I approach?
Okay, so now that they're going back to what we talked about last time.
Yes.
Your picture's already out there on the internet, bruh. They know what you look like.
I'm going to show you what this is a picture and ask if that is you and your family.
Yes, sir.
And that's on your wife's Cash App?
Yes, sir.
Which
on
is available to anyone who runs that. Because we just ran it this morning.
I guess so. I did my best to keep things clean. I guess I missed that one.
Yeah, I guess you did.
And continuing to testify with his mask on based upon that as public record.
Yeah, this is nothing that this witness put on. It was something that was done by a family member that he was unaware of.
He was saying he's not scared personally. He said he was terrified for his family's life, and his family is the one posting the pictures everywhere. So clearly they're not upset by it. You can't see my face, but I'm agitated. Ah!
Can you step down for a second? Just wait outside.
Okay, now see, that's why you need to see the face.
Can I briefly call my wife?
This is my angry face.
She scrubs everything.
This is my scared face.
Thank you, sir.
This
is why you can't allow them to wear masks.
You have to send something on to preserve that, because that is something that is not out. There would be concerns for the safety of the witness on that. It's already been seen by the court and be described as such. To preserve it or anything else on that could lead to safety issues for this witness would be very troubling.
We have no problem with that.
So that's agreed. All right. So, like to hear what the witnesses finds out from his spouse. I guess my concern is, it's always something we're trying to balance things. The news group has a right to be here and film.
Clear the courtroom.
The defendant has a right of confrontation.
Yes.
Typically, it's face to face.
Yes.
I would prefer to keep my mask on.
Very good.
You, of course, you fucking would. You know what? God damn it. Of course you would. You would. I could tell it by just looking at this person. I would prefer to keep. No, get your fucking mask off. You're in court. This is somebody's life on the line. Get your mask off. I cannot believe that. You know what? Here's what I hope happens. This is what I hope happens. I hope Chandler Halderson is found guilty because he did it. And then I hope he appeals. Because the mask violates the Confrontation Clause of the United States Constitution. And I hope his conviction is reversed and he is let go. And then I hope he releases a fucking cookbook, self-publishes it, uploads it to Kindle, and says how my parents tasted. The Chandler Halderson story. 100 recipes for successful childhood. I hope that happens. Fuck these people and their fucking masks. This propaganda bullshit. You're 30 feet away from anybody. Nobody's breathing near you. You're not going to get COVID sitting there in court. Everybody's vaccinated. Just stop it. Stop it. I hate this shit so much.
But, it's not hard and fast. The witness indicates there's threats on his life, and he's worried about his security of his family. And it's a balancing of all this.
His family's posting the picture.
I don't know where this came from
or Cash
how
App.
it was obtained.
That's where it came from.
I don't know how you got a hold of the picture in the first place. You're saying it's on a Cash App?
Yes.
So yeah, all you have to do, her phone number is listed, and when you put her in Cash App, the picture comes up.
Cash App is what?
So Cash App is similar to Zelle, Venmo.
Just clear the courtroom. Don't show his face on camera. Problem fucking solved. You preserve the defendant's constitutional rights to confront his accuser.
It is open to the public. Cash App is not one of, with Venmo, you can actually make things private. Cash App does not. So everything you do on Cash App is in the public domain.
Yeah, it seems a little concerning and troubling if they'd be looking at the witness's wife and family with the intent to cause them some sort of harm or to intimidate them in any way.
Well, I resent that, first of all. You have a right to confront
Absolutely.
the accuser.
Screw you,
They made a
prosecutor.
representation. It turns out to be incorrect. So, quite candidly, I resent any implication that we're trying to put anyone in danger.
Yeah, screw you, prosecutor. There are other experts you can call. They specifically called an expert that has a death threat against him that wants to wear a mask.
The information will be received.
Oh, I don't like this. Yeah, not my favorite thing the judge has done. I think he's clearly wrong. And like I'm saying, they don't want this. This is not the only gang expert in the entire state of Florida. They could have called any other gang expert. They chose a guy who allegedly has a hit out on him. A guy who is allegedly fearing for the life of his family. Okay, this is replay stuff here. A guy who's fearing for the life of his family. A guy who is trying to maintain his cover. Call another witness that isn't concerned about these things. Call another gang expert. Why does it have to be this one guy? Why? It doesn't. It could have been any gang expert in the entire frickin' state of Florida. He's not the only one. And I really, really hate this. And I do agree with the defense that the prosecution is being reprehensible and that they should resent any implication that they're trying to put this guy in danger. Screw these prosecutors in this respect. This mask needs to come off. My mask needs to come off because it's hot as fuck under this thing. Like I said, monsoon season started today. It's been raining. It's like 85 degrees. It is miserably hot. There's 100% humidity outside. My dehumidifier has it to 80% humidity in the house. I'm freaking just steaming here, but solidarity for law enforcement officer brothers.
Where are we at, Councilman?
Yeah, let me approach.
Sure.
Where are we at? Can we approach already? God damn it, they're back 25 seconds and they're already doing a sidebar. Literally nothing happened since the last sidebar. Oh, that's it. Come on.
Yes, sir. You can take off your mask.
Woohoo!
It's over. State's objection, Your Honor, based on the previous issues.
Jury entering?
Now the jury's going to be like, what the fuck? He has his mask off now? What was all this shit before? She gave his mask gave one of the jurors a panic attack last week. So all that was in vain. It was all for nothing.
Thank you. Please be seated. Let the record once again reflect the presence of the defendant, his counsel, the assistant state attorney, the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, and our witness, Mr. Polo, remains on the stand. Counsel, you may proceed.
Thank you. Okay, Detective Polo, we left off talking about the